Hi, how is everyone doing on this nice cold? Let's get the little tissue paper out of the way there. No need for everybody to be looking at that. But I am here to share. I received here recently my Unity stamp kit for February, and it is called Being Who You Are, which is a very important concept, just to be who you are, be yourself, and some people may like you as you are, and some people you may not be their cup of tea, and that is okay. We're all so very different, and we are not going to like everybody. So that's just the way the world is. And this came with a tag that I can use for one of my projects. And it also came with some beads to decorate your project with and embellish. And then it came with this key. And it feels like it's, yeah, it is metal. It's a metal key. Kind of heavy to put on a project on a card. This would really bump up that postage quite a bit. So let's see where I use that one in. So that's what came in here. And then the kit has, the stamps have, they have this little girl. And I don't know if you could read some of the sentiments, but it says, "You are special to me in every way. Thank you for being who you are." That's what this one says down here. This one here says something different, but I can't read that like this, so I will just kind of put them close like this. And these kits are really, oops, there's a little bit of glare. Right, there we go. I so dislike that glare, but these are the stamps and what they say, and these are the ones, these are them in the back. I don't know why, but lately these stamps have been coming with little pieces missing. Not necessarily a stamp piece, but just kind of a piece of the extra rubber is just, they just knock it off. But it's fine as long as it's not a piece from the stamp. And they're really, really large compared to my hand. Look at this clock, and look at this, oops, look at this girl. And so they're really, really large and really fun to color in, emboss. And I recently purchased another pad of watercolor paper because I would like to use some of my watercolor markers and some of my watercolor paints, just because it would be something different to do. Oh, there's my address, which is fine because I have my PO address listed in my my about section. But anyhow, this is all that I have for today. You all have a great day. Thanks for watching. And I will be back at some point in the near future with some crafty projects and shares using this stamp set. You all have a great day now. Bye.